Alright guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah. I'm using Excel 2013, and guess what, we'll be starting from the very beginning. It's going to be like a part 1, part 2, like a series something. So if you would like to continue learning everything you need to know about Excel, please do subscribe to my channel, do like this video to encourage your girl to continue creating content. So this is it. So when you open an Excel, this is what you should see when you open your Excel. Yes, when you open your Excel, this is what you should see. And these are templates, already made templates in Excel. You can as well download them, change some figures and numbers and use them. Look at this one, wedding budget. Now there's something wrong here because my system is not connected to the internet, so I can't really be able to download this. You can see what it's saying, something went wrong while downloading your template, wedding budget tracker. So but if your system is connected to the internet, you'll be able to download this template. Just make some changes, like try and go through them in your computer, in your Excel. You're going to see some already made template that you can use. You understand? All you need to do is to change number, change figure, change locations, anything that is on the data or spreadsheet. So this is not what we are going to be looking at, so I'll just close it. Now we are working with a blank workbook. You can see this blank workbook, so let's open it. Now when you open Excel, these are things you will see. You see your tabs. This is your home tab, this is your insert tab, this is your page layout tab, and all the tabs like that. You can see formula, data, review, view, and developers tab. Yes, this developer tab might not be in your system because I did that. I included it in my ribbon. I could show you how I did that. Okay, let me show you how I did that. Go to File, come to your option. This is your option. So when you open your option, these are the things you will see, like your general, your formula, your proving. But this, look at this customized ribbon. You can see customized ribbon here. You can see my arrow here. So you can see I added this. If I want to remove it, or I will just click this. Yes, so I've removed it now. Let's see what happens. It's gone. So if you saw that, if you didn't see it, you can just wind back this video and you see what I just did there. So when you open your Excel, this is a row. The number represents row and the letter represent columns, and this is a cell. Cells are what make up the rows and the columns. So this is it. Now we're just going to dive straight into how to edit. Subsequently in this series, we are going to learn how to make use of the groups in your tabs. Like I told you before, this is your home tab, this is a group. So basically a home tab is made of one group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we're going to be touching all this home, all the groups, all the functions in there. So let's talk about how to edit a cell. How to edit a cell is either you click your F2 on your keyboard, you start editing, writing anything you wish to write. Maybe I should just write Excel for analytics. So click enter, it will enter. Look at this. You can see that this particular Excel for analytics, where it is entering the cell C. Yes, if you want to make it contain the cell B, all you need to do is to expand. See what I did? Place your cursor here and you drag left. So that's basically what I did. Now let's take note of an important thing. Look at this, please. This is called the formula bar. So you can decide to edit cell within the formula bar, or you can decide to go direct into the cell and edit it. So I can decide to edit this from here. Maybe I want to add 2.0. So let's click enter. I can still see over or C. So you can see what I just did. So this is basically how to write, enter a text into a cell. If you want to delete, you press your control, no, not control, please, your F2, then you can edit. If you want to delete, all you need to do is place your cursor there and you click delete on your keyboard, and that's over. That's what we're going to be learning. Alright, this is it for this section. We will continue in the next session. In the next session, we're going to be doing things like very interesting. So before we continue from the next section, I want to bring something to your notice. When you type a text in Excel, it's different from when you type a number in Excel. Text, like I said before, look at this. When I typed Excel, and it is kind of left aligned, but when you type a number, it is right aligned, as you can see. So as you can see the sides. So just sometimes you meet a number that is a text. How will you know it's a text? The alignment. You understand? So your text should be by this side, by this side. Anything number should be by this side. So peradventure it means a text that is a number or a number that is a text. The alignment will tell you whether it is a number or it is actually a text. So now I want us to take quick note of something. This you can see my arrow here. This is a quick toolbar. Click it. These are things you will see. Mini toolbar. If you want a mini toolbar to show, just write. It is called mini toolbar. So with this you can do a lot of things like from cell format cells. You can see defining and a whole lot of things we're going to be going through in this series. Yes. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out. You get updated instantly when we release the next series. See you to your Excel success. Cheers.